Want to design lessons that keep students watching? The key is to create engaging, interactive, and focused lessons that grab attention from start to finish. And in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Stick around till the end, where I'll give you a simple tool that makes this process even easier. First off, don't just jump straight into content. Start with a hook that grabs attention. Whether it's a question, an interesting fact, or something students can relate to, make sure it piques their curiosity right away. You want them thinking, I need to watch this. For example, instead of saying, today we're learning about photosynthesis, try something like, ever wondered how plants eat without mouths? That simple shift gets their minds engaged. Next, break things down into bite-sized pieces. You want to keep your lessons short and digestible, especially online. Long, drawn-out explanations can easily lose students' focus. Instead, focus on one core idea per segment, then move on. Chunking your content helps students feel like they're making progress quickly. But don't just lecture, add variety to the presentation. Use visuals, quizzes, and interactive activities to mix things up. This software we'll be using is perfect for adding all these elements easily. And if you want to try it out, there's a link in the description below for an exclusive free trial. It's a great way to follow along while you're learning to design lessons that keep students watching. Another important point is to keep things relevant. Don't go off on tangents. Stay on track with your core lesson and make sure the content is directly tied to your learning objectives. It's easy to get sidetracked by fun facts, but if they don't help students understand the main point, cut them out. Also, remember to ask questions throughout your lesson. This keeps students thinking and engaged. Rather than waiting until the end for a big quiz, drop small questions during the lesson to encourage active learning. They can answer in the comments or even engage through interactive features if you're using the right platform. And here's a pro tip. Tell stories. People remember stories way better than plain facts. If you can tie your lesson to a real-world story, or even a fun fictional one, students are much more likely to stay focused and remember the material. Finally, wrap up with a quick recap of what was covered, and most importantly, give them something to look forward to. Tease the next lesson, or challenge them to apply what they've learned in a creative way. So, let's quickly revise what we've covered. Start with a hook to grab attention, keep your lessons short and focused, add variety to your teaching methods, stay on track with relevant content, ask questions, use stories, and finish with a recap. These steps will help you design lessons that keep students watching. Before I wrap up, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we've been using, linked in the description below. It's the perfect tool to help you create the kind of interactive lessons we talked about today. Key takeaway: design lessons that keep students watching by making them engaging, interactive, and focused. Keep things short, relevant, and fun. Stick to these principles and you'll keep your students hooked from start to finish.